Yeah, hi Anessa, new
Hello,
student.
hello, sir.
Okay, welcome to Bright School, and this is the second time you meet and learn together with us, right? Yeah, we have been waiting for students in the pandemic. Why so many students don't come? I'm sure that they're afraid of the virus attack because in societies people are scared of getting coronavirus, and also government concerned a lot about the spread of coronavirus to society or to people, and we'll come back here. Okay, and I'm so excited, we're so excited to have you here to learn English, and I know why you come to Bright School. So I would like to ask you, why do you think you come to Bright School? Please give simple sentences.
Okay, sir. I came to this break school because I like to learn English, and sometimes someday I'll give study to the
Overseas.
overseas.
Okay. So you would like to study overseas. What country is it?
I want to go to this
USA. So is that's your dream country? USA. Nice. Okay, USA is a multicultural country. So there you can find many things. You can find entertainment. You can find education. You can find also good technology. Okay. So many Asian people succeed in USA, and many also have gone to USA because the life is more free, and they also want to find new life. Okay, freedom of expression, freedom of many things that they are trying to find in USA. So if you are committed, I believe you can do it, because dream big. If you dream big, you will get big. Okay? Our topic today is talking about internet usage, because you know that today many people misuse internet. Most of people, especially students, misuse internet, and they don't use internet properly. You know that in internet access there are so many positive sides and negative sides of using internet, but as students you have to try to use internet properly based on the what you want and everything that you are trying to find. So according to you, I would like to ask you, what do you think the good side of using internet in your life based on your experience? Of course, based on your experience.
According to me, because I have to try it like that. We can see and searching our lessons materials and to search some information about the around world.
Around the world.
Yes, sir. In the internet. We can find some tutorials.
Yeah.
We can find some exercise about to train our brain, sir.
Brain or skill.
Yes, sir. Also, we can to ask our family who far from us.
Who are far from you.
Far from us, sir. And then we can know what happened in around us, like the coronavirus and some problem in after, sir.
Outdoors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Something like Olympic Games. Okay, so the Olympic Games is now happening in Tokyo. Okay, so we can know many things through internet. We can access the games, everything that is happening now in Tokyo, because many people try to compete from every country, try to compete to get their dreams come true. Okay, so this is one side of good thing of using internet. So beyond the positive side of using internet, there must be negative sides of using internet. So would you please tell us a little bit of your experiences?
About my experiences, we can play the online games
Yeah,
until we forget to our time
yeah,
to study, to work our workhouse, and make our homework is not yet finished.
forgotten.
Forgotten.
Yeah,
And then it can make our eyes really
get radiated. Get radiated.
and it feels so hot
Hot.
and make it so bad.
Yeah. Yeah, I can understand what you say. It makes us more antisocial. Okay, antisocial. To isolate it. Okay, isolate it in one place and do not care about social life and do not care about people around you. That is the bad side. Do you still have any other thing?
The bad things that I know, if we open
Sides.
some sites of the internet,
Mhm.
we can find an advertisement.
Yeah.
The advertisement is not good, sir.
Mhm.
It's like criminal to make some people do a criminal, sir, and it's not good for us.
Okay, so in the ads you find some bad influence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you think that every people in the internet influence people to do better or to do good?
Sometimes, sir, sometimes
Sometimes.
people to influence us to do the best well. Sometimes they will make us to do the bad things.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Do you still have many bad things of using internet?
The bad things. Sometimes I was forget my time, sir, because I'm playing games.
Play games.
Yes, sir. And I say to my mom that I want to do homework, but I'm addicted to play the games and forgotten my homework, sir.
Okay, I see. I know every student of senior high school and junior high school experience the same case as you're facing. Because they keep learning at home, only facing smartphones and do not face with real teachers. So sometimes internet influence people to do bad things, only play games and tune in on music and entertainment and forget their duties in school. Okay, so thanks for sharing your minds of how to use internet properly. And next time we will discuss and I will give you a chance what solutions you can offer to your friends. Okay, and then I will also help giving my solutions to you.